Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Building and installing P4Python on Mac OS X allows you to interact with the perforce helix version control system using Python. P4Python is a Python API for perforce, and it can be useful for automating tasks, scripting, and integrating perforce with your Python projects. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to build and install P4Python on Mac OS X. Before you begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites installed on your Mac. Python. Ensure you have Python installed on your Mac. You can download and install Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/downloads, or use a package manager like Homebrew. Install Python. P4 command line client. You need to have the perforce command line client, P4, installed. You can download it from the perforce website, https://www.perforce.com/download/helix-command-line-client. Xcode command line tools. Install Xcode command line tools if you haven't already. You can install them by running the following command in your terminal. Homebrew, optional if you prefer using Homebrew. You can install it from https://brew.sh and use it to install some dependencies. Now let's proceed with building and installing P4Python. Open your terminal and run the following command to install some dependencies using Homebrew, optional. Clone the P4Python repository from GitHub to your local machine. Navigate to the P4Python directory and build the P4Python module using the setup.py script. Replace /usr/local/opt/open at 1.1 with the actual path to the OpenSSL installation on your system if necessary. After successfully building the P4Python module, install it using the following command. To verify that P4Python is installed correctly, open a Python shell in your terminal and try importing the P4 module. If there are no errors, P4Python is successfully installed. You can test P4Python by connecting to a perforce server and performing basic operations. Here's a simple example. You have successfully built and installed P4Python on your Mac OS X system. This allows you to interact with perforce using Python, enabling automation and scripting of perforce-related tasks in your development workflow. Make sure to consult the P4Python documentation for more details on its usage. https://www.perforce.com/manual/p4script/02_programming.p4script.html. ChatGPT